want to graph a cubic function of the form y is equal to ax cubed, and my a value here is negative 5/4. Now, we need to know that the parent function here, y is equal to x cubed, looks like this. So it's going to be stretched a little bit, right? 5/4 of its normal size. And it's also going to be reflected over the x-axis. So I'm going to have something that looks like this, turned upside down, and actually a little skinnier than that, but it's hard to make that distinction using a pen. When you graph it in ALEKS, you can put in specific values. I'm told to plot 5 points on the graph, 1 point with x equals 0, and 2 points with negative x values, 2 with positive x values. And then click on the graph icon and the system will fill in the curve. So I have points x and y, and I know I want to use 0 because I'm told to. Well, if x is 0, y is also 0. And then think about this negative 5/4 here for a minute. I want to choose even x values so that this denominator goes away after I cube x. So I'm going to try x is equal to negative 2 and negative 4 and 2 and 4. If I put 1 in there, then y is negative 5/4, and that's a pain to graph. But if I put 2 in there, then y is equal to negative 5/4 times 8, which is 10. And if I put negative 2, I have y is equal to, or sorry, negative 10. Y is equal to negative 5/4 times negative 8, and that's positive 10. If I put negative 4 in there, I have y is equal to negative 5/4 times negative 4 cubed, which is negative 5/4 times negative 64, which is 5 times 16, which is 80. And that value may or may not actually show on your graph, but you can type in values. So, and then I have what's called symmetry with respect to the origin here. This one is going to be negative 80, although you can plug it in and actually calculate it. So those are my points. If the graph isn't large enough to include these 2 points, then do go ahead and go back and use negative 1 and 1 and type in the values in the ordered pair icon rather than using the pencil to plot points.